To demonstrate this, in most sections, we do have the option to change the color themes of each of the section using this background color option. So if I change this to background 2, notice how the color combination changes. If I choose accent 1, that changes as well. That is also true for free trade collections, for example. In some cases, though, we do have more control of what colors to use. And this comes in the premium sections that I personally customize for Essentia theme, wherein I provided an option for you to change the color to any color, even if it's not part of the color palette. So the color scheme or background color option in most of the sections is actually based on our theme settings, wherein we assign the colors. So I'd like for us to be intentional in assigning this such that we can speed up the development process and lessen the need for custom coding. So our template kit will allow you to visualize how the color themes will end up based on the colors that we pick. So I adapted the same nomenclature as what's used in Shopify. We have background 1, background 2, text color, accent 1, accent 2, and then accent text color. Note that this is not a required step, but I think it will be helpful for you to better visualize how these colors are implemented. For example, in our Studio Persona project, we have this off-white color as the main background color for most of our sections. So I will assign this to be this color. I'll do that by clicking on Edit, and then using this eyedropper tool to pick that color. Automatically, our section templates will adapt this, particularly this color theme, the background 1. Now, if I want the text color to be this black color, then I will click and edit on this text color, and then use the eyedropper tool to pull that color. You may also enter the hex code, and then notice how our color theme simulator will also change. Now our next color will be the background 2. This is the background that will work with our text color. So because our text color is dark, then we can adapt a background color that is lighter. So we can call it the secondary background color that works with our main text color. So from our palette, aside from this background color, we also use this background color a lot. And so I will assign this as our secondary background color. So I'll click and edit. Again, the eyedropper tool, and pull this color. You'll notice that this part of our color theme simulator will change. Then our next color is the accent 1 color, which is the main bottom background color. So because this is our main bottom background color, I'll click and edit and pull this color. Then we need to assign the text color of our bottom. So let me click and edit and make sure that this is set to white, which is the text color of our main background bottom color. And then our accent 2 is the background color that works with our accent text color. So because our accent text color is set to white, then we need something that is dark to create enough contrast. From our color palette, we've already assigned this text color and this accent 1 bottom background color. There is no longer any other colors that might work in contrast with our accent text color. So it's okay to just leave it as is. But if you happen to have another background color that might work with our project, for example, I can pull 1 here. I can assign that as our accent 2. And you'll notice how our color theme simulator will give you an idea of how our color schemes will work.